Yeah.
And you, ma'am?
Pani Puri stall.
Ah, winner! That I'm treating you guys. All right, come. I know. I get कर लेते हैं मतलब. So guys, we have approached some strangers and. I was a bit nervous to approach them because we have got tons of rejection. But today we are starting with Friendship Day special. Happy Friendship Day, guys.
Yeah. Happy Friendship Day.
Friendship Day.
You guys are best friends?
Yeah, I mean, you could
we
say.
met after 2 years.
my
It's been a long
God.
time. Yeah, we were in college together.
Okay, so
Yeah.
like, what are you guys best friends?
Yeah. I mean,
Good friends.
good
friends.
friends. Good friends.
Good friends. So, how bad of me? We didn't even introduce them. Your name, ma'am?
Yashvi.
Mayuka.
Mayuka and Yashvi. They are both beautiful. And tell me, guys, where are you guys from and what are you doing over here exactly?
I'm from Indore and I've started my job. It's been 1 month.
Okay.
So that's why I shifted to Bangalore.
All right. And you?
I'm from Hyderabad and I've been in Bangalore for 4 months and I'm also working here.
Okay. Her voice is also really nice. So, tell me, guys, what's the difference between Hyderabad and Indore, which you can find, like in terms of culture, in terms of weather,
Ah.
or Indore as well? Like,
What do you want us to compare?
okay, let's compare the weather first.
With Hyderabad and Bangalore?
Yeah. Hyderabad and Bangalore.
Bangalore, of course, Bangalore.
Why is it hot? Really hot over there?
I'm not gonna lie, it's not that hot, but then Bangalore is just too cool, so you get that right. So Bangalore has really pleasant weather.
If you take a walk, like 1 minute walk, will you start sweating?
In Hyderabad, not really, no. Not really. No, not really. But then Bangalore just has very pleasant weather. It's always hoodie weather in Bangalore, so I love that.
And what about you, ma'am? How is the weather in Indore?
In Indore, it's like it can go to two extremes. It could be very hot, it could be very cold and rainy also. So Bangalore is like a nice, pleasant ऐसा all year around. So that's nice.
There's no surety.
No.
Like hot, cold, rain.
गर्मी के टाइम गर्मी होती है ठंड के
बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं क्या?
हाँ,
Okay, that's
होती है।
very nice. Guys, tell me, इंदौर का dating culture कैसा है वैसे?
इंदौर का dating culture.
How do people
I
meet?
mean, mostly it's a bit chill there. Like, if you know people from college or like school, that's the only way, I guess. Other than that, dating apps, but I don't really.
Dating apps, does dating app work or is it fake over there?
I mean, it could work if you wanted to work that way, but I haven't tried it. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Ma'am is smiling. Did you meet anyone in dating app, ma'am?
Not in Hyderabad, no.
What about in Bangalore?
Yeah, quite a few, I guess.
Guys, she's in dating app.
Please don't hit me up. Please don't hit me up.
Hit her up, hit her up. Okay, tell me, guys, which is the like the most attractive body part in a guy, which you find attractive?
Biceps.
Bicep. Okay, all right. And what about you?
I second that.
Huh?
I second that, yes.
Yeah.
The same. Okay, guys, get good biceps. Then you can get these girls. Tell me one more thing. Like, let's say I give you 50,000. Okay, it's more like a challenge thing. I give you 50,000. You guys need to compete with each other. Okay. Which business would you start?
A fashion line.
Fashion. Like what type of e-commerce?
No, like my own clothing line. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you, ma'am?
Pani Puri stall.
Ah, winner! Winner. Pani Puri is hats off winner. How much ROI can you generate, ma'am? Actual.
Oh wow, okay. आ जाएगा आराम से देखो एक तो I don't have to get really involved in taxes. I can just get
Blackmail. We support black.
I can just get some भैया खड़ा कर दो बीच में कोई क्राइस्ट के बाहर खड़ा कर दो हो गया बस and you're set for life.
That's amazing, guys. Guys, tell me, girls have this beauty, right? Apart from the beauty, what do you guys bring to the table for your future husband?
Well, I am very financially independent and I love doing that. Like I earn, I stay in my own house, I like to do my own chores. So that is it.
But would that bring a bit of masculinity in you? being independent?
Oh, come on. It wouldn't. Yeah, come on.
It's a basic life skill. It's not like feminine or masculine.
So you're saying being feminine means just cooking for your husband and just being
No,
very
no, I'm not, because you're doing everything by yourself, and that way you're like independent.
Yeah, I love that. I love that.
So you don't need a guy.
I'm doing good single right now. Yeah. Yeah.
All right. If the guy is earning lesser than you, will you accept him?
Why not? I don't mind.
She's a green flag, guys. Nice speaking with you. I won't hold you back, guys. Have a really nice day, and I wish you happy friendship day again. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.